Let's look at what plants excrete. So you have a small list over here. Take a guess. These are your traditional ones. I have not put the image because it's kind of obvious. And these are the new ones. Yes, we have our oxygen, carbon dioxide too, and water vapor. Along with that, what else? This is related to, or the word can be related to, a dry fruit. These are known as raisins. Okay, and this is gum. I'm sure you guys have seen trees, gum, and all of that. So this is not there as part of your syllabus, what I'm going to tell now, right? So what is the point of raisins, and gums and all that? So it will protect the plant against injury and infection. It defends against insects, right? Raisins is used by the tree to defend against insect. And for water conservation, it has antimicrobial property, right? So it helps in manner of protection. Even gum too, actually. If a plant gets wounded, it will seal itself with gums. And gums is also useful for water storage and regulation. Food reservation, so it can store water, and this can also act as a reserve of food, right? And even some cases seed distribution also, if I remember right. Okay guys, and because of this property we make use of the raisins and gums. If you've seen in Discovery Channel or National Geographic Channel, or on say some video, any video wherein we tap this, there's a big economy on this because they act as antibiotic. In some part of the world they consume it as well. They make a kind of roti out of it. I've seen it somewhere, and they consume it. So yeah, there are some delicacies in some places. They make it as sweet as well. If I remember right, in one place again, I don't remember all of that. But yeah, they do consume. There are a lot of antibiotic, anti-inflammatory properties. You know, it acts as a dietary fiber as well. So basically helps in pooping. Okay. So again, that is extra bit of information. Now, but where does it come out from? Majorly, the gas, that is. Gas from the plant, and yeah, any gaseous form, that is. How does it come out? The first one is quite simple. We have studied this. This is stomach and yoga mat leading to stomata. Now, let's look at this. This is a new one, right, for you. So this is a lens. Straightforward. This is the act of tickle. Agree? So can you take a guess of what's happening over there? So tickle. Lens and tickle. Can you come up with a word? This is your lenticles. And so I spelled it as EL. I was leading to this word, lenticles. So they are found in your bark and all of that. Okay, so all of this can escape in that place as well. Okay, the tall, long ones, they can escape in this as well, lenticles. Okay, is there something? Yeah. How does plant deal with excess water? Again, this is a very simple guess. Yes, transpiration. Okay, guys, all of this is part of your book. So what do plants excrete? All of this. Oh, even excess salts as well that I missed. How do plant eliminate gaseous waste? Stomata through leaves and lenticles in their stems. Okay, this process is a natural part of their respiration and photosynthetic activities. How do plants deal with excess water? Transpiration. The process involves the evaporation of water from the surface of the leaves, which not only helps in waste elimination but also aids in cooling the plants and maintaining the flow of minerals from the root. Right? Because of transpiration, there is reduce in pressure, and so from the higher pressure, that is from the roots, to lower pressure, that is to the leaves, there is pulling of water. Along with the water, we have dissolved minerals that will, add up. You guys can take a guess, right? So that is a bit of introduction to excretion in plants.